Hi there. This is Coach Tebow. Welcome to the new school year. Welcome to soccer class, which is 7th period. If you are watching this video, then you made it to my website. This is the soccer portion of the website. Here's the schedule. We meet 7th period, so we meet on Mondays from 11:30 to 12, and then on Wednesdays and Thursdays from 11:50 to 12:50. In the virtual world, it's a little different how we're doing things. The Google Classroom, you come down here, is really where things are being housed. And so what's happening is essentially players can get on Google Classroom. They go to their classwork. Each week there's a workout program that I give them that they complete, and then they have to complete the workout log at the end of the week. We do meet in the meetings each class period and just check in on them, make sure they're clear on what's expected of them when we talk about various things. Sometimes we'll look at clips of games, and then they are free to go. When school comes back in session, we use it as a training ground, really, where we're working on the players or the soccer student athletes, their technical skills, some tactics, but it's real. It's hands-on. I mean, they're in and they're playing. We're getting after it. So if you have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out and contact me. Otherwise, we're looking forward to, it's a different year, but a good year to kind of get things done. We know it's a challenge, but we'll work through it. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing everybody out on the soccer field at some point.